in lieu thereof, Mr. Chair, we also raise an issue about any comparative study pertaining to the solar lights versus the traditional lights, because as we have observed during the Palarong Pambansa, many of our newly installed solar lights in the city of Laoag are no longer operational at around 10 o'clock in the evening, making Laoag nasipnget, Mr. Chair. So we requested a copy of the contract together with whatever comparative study so that we will come to know whether we are going to budget our funds for the traditional lighting or we are going to invest for solar lights, Mr. Chair. May we know from the Secretariat, because these were all raised during our session last week, Mr. Chair.
Excuse me, Your Honor, what's the
The solar, we also raised same issue when that issue was raised
yes, Your
last
Honor.
Tuesday.
Yes.
So may we know if there were response from the city engineering office?
None
Especially
yet,
the
yeah.
contract, we need the contract, Mr. Chair.
None yet, Your Honor.
Hangka di nga ti solar lights tay kumakit, jure kumalang agfang function until 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the early morning, not until 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock in the evening sa awanen na
Yes.
sipnget no kan apo, Chair. That would
Yes,
be all,
sir.
Mr. Chair.